Hi everyone, Mr. Neighbor here, and today we're going to talk about discounts. We love discounts. Discounts are the things that you go into the store and you see 20% off, and you're like, yes, I don't have to pay what that sticker says I have to pay. I have to pay less. So after this lesson, you should be able to walk into a store, look at some clothes that are on discount or some other product, and have an idea of what you're going to have to pay before you go to the cashier. So let's get down to it. So discount / markdown. What do they mean? That's the amount by which the regular price of an item is reduced by. So it goes according to what that item originally cost. So the more something costs, if it's 20% off, it will be a bigger number than if something's $1 and it's 20% off. It's not a very good deal if it's $1. The deal is the same, but it's not going to save you as much money. So let's look at a few examples. We do have two methods to this, and actually they're the same two methods that we've been using for our tip, our sales tax, and our markup method. So let's start with those. The first method is to find the discount and then take it off. So we got to find the discount and then take it off. So let's do that. So $22 is how much we are going to pay for this normally priced DVD player. This week it's on sale for 25% off the original. So I'm going to find what 25% is. 25% of the original is $5.50. And now I'm going to take that off. 22, I am paying less, so I will be taking that off. And I will get out an answer of $16.50. And put my $sign. So that's how much I will have to pay. The other method we talked about was combining percents. So this is the trickier version of combining percents. You have to remember what you're actually doing. You're taking things off. So you're starting with having to pay 100%. But then you're not going to pay 25%. So you don't have to pay this much. So the amount that you still have to pay on the product is 75%. So let's find what 75% of the product is. So if it costs you $22, what is 75% of that? So 0.75. When we do that, we should get out the answer of $16.50. Same answer as before, we do it in one step though. You pick the method that works best for you. In some problems, they force you to use a method. But if you don't have to choose one over the other, pick the one that makes most sense to you. There's no right or wrong. A shirt is regularly priced for $42. It's on sale for 15% off the regular price. What is the sale price? So if I do method 1, I will take 42 multiplied by 15% as a number. I'll get out $6.30. And because this is a discount, I subtract it away. And we'll get out $35.70. Using method 2, I know that I had to originally pay 100%, but now I don't have to pay 15%. So the amount that I still have to pay is 85%. So I'm going to find 85% of the original amount. Oops, that's 42. So when I do that, I should get out $35.70. So check my math on these, make sure that these two answers are coming out to be the same like they should be. A boogie board that has a regular price of $69 is on sale at 35% discount. What is the sale price with 7% tax? This is an example, just like in the last video. that you have to find what the discount is and then do the tax after that. So with the first method, we have to first find what your discount, that price is going to be. So 69 times 35% as a number, you will get out 24.15. Then we will subtract that because we are having a discount, and you will get out $44.85. Oops, 85 cents. And now, once we go to the cashier, they tell us you have to have 7% tax on that. So we do 44.85, multiply it by 7% tax as a number. We get out $3.14. And then tax we have to pay. So we have to add that on instead of subtract it. And when we add it on, we get out $47.99. So that is the price that we're going to have to pay. We use method 2. Well, first, we don't have to pay a full 100%. We only have to pay 65% because 35% is taken off for us. So let's find what that is. So 69, what's 65% of that? That is $44.85. And now I have to find the tax on that. So I have to pay 100% of this new price and my 7% tax. So that will be 107% of this amount right here. 44.85 multiplied by 107%, which is 1.07 as a decimal, as a number, and that will give you out $47.99 again. Just be careful that you're always doing the discount, you're always doing the markup first. And then if you have tip after that, the tip comes after you do the tax. So there's an order to doing this. The discount or markup, then the tax, then the tip. So make sure you're doing that. And just think about the order. Just think about it, how your parents, how you, how someone you know would pay when going to a restaurant or going to a store. So just make sure you're okay with that.